At Aerosmart UAV, precision meets innovation.
My name is Vineeth Jacob Antony. I am a solution engineer from Aerosmart. Today we are here in Fujairah for a drone mapping mission for one of our clients. This is the mapping area which we are going to do a mapping mission for them. They are going to do a construction here for a building, and we are providing service for them. And we will be using DJI Matrice 4e as it has highest resolution. Let's go.
Our team begins by introducing the power of drone technology to our client, showcasing how the DJI Matrice 4e can transform construction mapping. We start by deploying the DRTK3 base station, ensuring centimeter-level accuracy. With GCPs placed and calibrated, we establish a solid foundation for precise geospatial data. The DRTK3 is then seamlessly connected to the drone through the DJI Pilot 2 app on the RC+2, synchronizing every detail of the mission. Once ready, we upload the pre-planned mapping mission to the DJI RC+2 controller. With a single command, the Matrice 4e takes off and begins its autonomous flight, executing each waypoint with unmatched precision and efficiency. The Matrice 4e captures high-resolution imagery and geospatial data, ensuring complete coverage and reliable results every time.
The mapping mission has been done using DJI Matrice 4e, and we have collected the necessary data required for the mapping project which they asked us and reached out to us, and we have used 4 GCPs and 1 checkpoint for doing, and furthermore we will be proceeding with DJI Terra for post-processing it.
After the flight, the captured data is imported and processed using DJI Terra software, transforming raw aerial images into high-quality 2D maps and detailed 3D models. Through advanced photogrammetry and data reconstruction, DJI Terra delivers accurate terrain models, elevation data, and volumetric measurements, providing our client with a complete visual and analytical overview of the construction site. From progress tracking to precise measurements, every output empowers our client to make data-driven decisions faster, safer, and with confidence. With the power of DJI Enterprise Solutions, we redefine what's possible in construction mapping, delivering accuracy, reliability, and performance that elevate every mission. Aerosmart UAV, shaping the future of smart construction with next-generation drone technology.